Good morning to all of you, class 5 students. Dear students, this is a time of epidemic, and I hope you all will have safe because you attend yourself in home. Only some precautions can protect us, so I request you always you please maintain the social distancing and use mask whenever if you go out of the place. Beta, it is very essential you always follow these rules. These are some crucial position nowadays, and we are facing a lot of problem regarding COVID-19 virus. Now today in this class we will discuss types of forces. Before we discuss about the types of forces, I would like to say you that I could not attend the class from 20 days or more because I was noted here, and I was suffering from cholesterol, so that I do not like to attend the class. But I am quite free, and now I in front of you I am just providing you once again with full energy. So let's we have a look on types of forces. There are two types of forces. Contact force and non-contact force. Contact force applied or force which is directly in contact with the source. Force is known as contact force. For example, hanging bag or carrying a bag in our hand. I am writing on blackboard with pencil in our hand. with pencil in our hand is also a contact force. So there are three types of contact forces. स्नैप लीजिए. First one is frictional force. Mechanical force, and third one is muscular force. Frictional force the force which opposes the motion of another object is known as frictional force. प्यारे बच्चों, ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन we can write anything on blackboard. We can walk on the earth. We can drive our bicycles only due to the frictional forces. It means कि when we walk on the road, it means we press force on the road, and according to Newton's third law of motion, earth also exert an equal amount of force in opposite direction, and then after we get exerted. As walking on the road, writing anything on a source, either paper, wall, blackboard, etc. Mechanical force the force applied by a machine on an object प्यारे बच्चों, I think you all will have written it on blackboard from blackboard, and once again from day after tomorrow I will come with you, and I will be online for you. So please stay at home, stay safe, and use mask and social distancing whenever if it is very essential to go out. Thank you and have a nice day.